this video, we will show you how to disable or turn off suggested for you feed on Instagram homepage. When you don't follow some people, but it's appear on your homepage on your Instagram, maybe you are a little bit annoying. You can disable the feed about suggested for you. First, you need to open your Instagram account. For example, in here, I open our Instagram. As you can see, this is the page or the people we follow usually appear in here. But in our homepage on Instagram, sometimes it's appear suggested for you feed. Okay, because we don't like the content, because we don't need our homepage is fully with our people or account we don't follow. So we need to disable this to make our Instagram account on the homepage is clear. First, you need to click your profile account here. Then you can select this menu. In here, you can select notification. You can select following and followers. In here, you can see there is account suggestion. You can disable the account suggestion by selecting the off button here. You can check box in here. You can select, click here, and the account suggestion is turned off. Okay, you can see another option. We can refresh our Instagram. I will close my Instagram, and you can see there is still suggested for you on our feed. We can click again on our profiles and select this menu again, and in here you can scroll down and select suggested content. Now this is the suggested post in feed. You can snooze for 30 more days. This is you can do every 30 days, because if more than 30 days, the suggested post or suggested content in our homepage will appear again. Let's see. Now you can see there is no more suggested for you again, and this is the account that we already follow. You can see there. Hope this video helpful for you.